Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Gordon Frayne. We're back talking about Caspa in today's video. Finally, are we seeing the bounce that we need for Caspa to start moving back to the upside? Bitcoin is at all-time highs. Caspa is starting to bounce back. That's what we're looking at today. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button as well, and if you want to get notified about similar content, smash that bell notification icon, and don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked down below this video in the description. Grab it now. It's my gift to you, and let's get into the content. So Caspa has had a fall from grace over the past couple of months. We did get all the way up to prices of around 21 cents here, just below 21 cents at the very beginning of August. We then had that unwind of the Japanese yen carry trade, which dragged Caspa down all the way down, even wicking down to about 12.5 cents before jumping up to kind of consolidate here before moving even further to the downside. So Caspa's chart was looking very, very nice right up until this point in the beginning of August, and then the drop down to retest the 200-day moving average, moving sideways and then moving further down. I mean, if we zoom out far enough, the chart does look still quite nice, very much up and to the right, but breaking down below the 200-day moving average was something that was pretty difficult for Caspa to recover from over the past month or so since the beginning of October. So right now we're seeing that we've hit this level of support around 10.5 cents. We did get down a little bit lower to about 10.3 cents before bouncing back up again. And Caspa, with this huge green candle here on the daily chart here on November 9th, 2024, starting to move back to the upside and moving towards retesting the 200-day moving average. So what we'd want to see now is really Caspa trying to move higher over the coming few days to reclaim that 200-day moving average. If we zoom out far enough, we can see that the last time Caspa actually got above the 200-day, back here right since the beginning of 2023, we went on a huge move to the upside. We skirted below it just very briefly here in April and May before getting back above it and moving even higher to that 21 cent high. And we pulled back since then. So what we're looking for is for Caspa to really reclaim the 200-day moving average, continue moving higher. And then once we claim the 200-day, next level of strong resistance is going to be here around 17 to 17.7 cents. If we can get back above this, then we would be moving back to retest those all-time highs at about 21 cents. I do think this takes, a few more weeks to play out, but the size of this green candle is boding pretty well for the price action that we might see with Caspa in the coming week or two. So Bitcoin, as we know, has broken back above its previous all-time highs. Just trying to click over to the actual Bitcoin chart here, we can see that we've got prices for Bitcoin right now sitting at 76,860. So, the big green candle move that we saw with Bitcoin on the November 6th, mostly on the news of the election results, followed swiftly by a nice rate cut from the Federal Reserve on November 7th, meant that the likes of Ethereum and Solana followed in very hot pursuit with large green candles to the upside, and then also started to move accordingly as well. But it really has not been until today, 3 days later, that Caspa has finally started to get the bounce that it needed to move back towards the 200-day moving average. We've done lots of videos about Caspa on the channel, guys. You can go and check out those other videos, but I think this is the bounce that we needed in order to bring a little bit of confidence back to Caspa holders, back to people who are holding Caspa as part of their bull run bag, possibly for the next 6 or 12 months. And, we want to see it reclaim the 200-day and keep moving higher. So again, we've been seeing and talking about a lot of stuff going on with Casplex and with KRC20 tokens and, you know, possibly the onset of smart contracts on top of Caspa, if I'm honest, I do want to see more things getting built on top of Caspa. We need to see applications, protocols, decentralized exchanges, things that people can actually use and interact with in order to bring more liquidity onto Kaspa as a layer 1 blockchain. Again, we saw this with AVAX in the previous cycle back in 2021 when Trader Joe got launched in around June of 2021. It opened up the floodgates for more liquidity to easily flow into the AVAX ecosystem, and the price went, you know, 15-20x from the time that Trader Joe was launched to the peak of the cycle for AVAX in November 2021. So again, we do still have some time, but I really would like to see more protocols, DEXs, applications getting built on top of Caspa, things that people can use on a daily basis, and things that can make it easier for liquidity to flow into the Caspa ecosystem, because without those on-ramps or the on-rails to bring more liquidity and more capital onto Kaspa, it's going to struggle to compete with some of the other tokens that do have a much better ecosystem built out on top of the blockchain already. Another token coming to mind there is the like of Sui. So Sui has multiple different decentralized exchanges. It has multiple different lending and borrowing protocols and tons of different features and apps that people can use and interact with already. So we want to see stuff like that getting built on Kaspa to open up the floodgates, bring more capital in, and make it easier for price action and price discovery to get back up towards all-time highs and moving beyond from there. So lots of positive stuff happening on Kaspa at the moment. We needed this price bounce from these lows here, and again, it's a positive sign to see such a large green candle on the daily to the upside. Hopefully we can close somewhere in this region to bode well for positive price movement over the next number of days. I'm trying to find another green candle similar to this one, looking back over the past couple of months. Maybe this one here back on the 3rd of June boded well for us to continue moving higher. We got this at about 15 cents, and then that helped us move back up to about 21 cents. Going back even further, if we look at this green candle here, which occurred around the 9 cents level, shot us up even higher, retrace even higher, retrace even higher again. So hopefully this green candle is the start or the kickstart that we needed in order to set this type of price action into gear over the next few weeks. Again, guys, we've partnered up with Femex. Make sure you check out Femex. There is a referral link in the description below. Full transparency, it is a referral link, but I've spoken with the guys at Femex and the team, a great group of people creating the most efficient crypto trading and investment platform. Kaspa is one of the tokens that is not widely available on many many tier 1 exchanges just yet, but Kaspa is available on Femex exchange. You can check it out for yourself. It's very easy to access and purchase Kaspa here by using wire transfers, using your funds, using your credit or debit card as well. Femex makes it very seamless, very easy to purchase all of your top cryptocurrencies, Kaspa being one of those as well. Of course, this is not financial advice. Take everything I'm saying with a pinch of salt. This channel is for informational and educational purposes only, and I am just a talking head on the internet. So do your own research, check out Kaspa. Great to see this green candle on the daily chart here. Positive sentiment, bodes well for the next few weeks. As always, if you enjoy the content, guys, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button as well, and if you want to get notified about similar videos, smash that bell notification icon. It really helps the channel spread the good word. We're trying to keep growing, trying to keep getting more people involved in this financial revolution. So it would be amazing if you could smash the like button below. And again, don't forget to grab your completely free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked below this video. Grab it in the description. It's my gift to you, and we'll catch you in the next one.